Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a scheduled payment, scheduled transfer on the Wise app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here you just go to the top right corner and tap on open. Now under the automate section you will find scheduled transfers. You tap on it and then you can select whether you want to have a external or an internal transfer. External meaning that you send money from your account to someone else's account, and internal means that you send from one of your accounts to the other, like a savings account, for example. Let's create a internal scheduled transfer. You tap on create new, and here normally when the app works, it's going to just walk you through setting this up, but yeah, this is where you do it, and you have external and internal. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.